Hi guys! In today's video we will be making clay so that you can make things such as Tada and Hello Kitty. So there will be a video upcoming that will teach you how to make these. So to make clay you need cornstarch, vinegar, oil, moisturizer, a box to mix all the ingredients in, and glue. Let's get to it! So take your vinegar and pour 2 teaspoons out into your box. Next, take your oil and pour out 2 teaspoons too. So 1 teaspoon, and here's the second teaspoon. Now take your glue and add how much you'd like. So I'm adding a little bit of glue and then we'll mix it in later on. Now mix it in. So now that all of it is mixed in, you need to add cornstarch. Add a little bit for now. So for me, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into mine. So just mix it in. Keep on mixing it with your paintbrush or whatever you're using, but you will need to use your hands to knead it together. So I'm putting it onto my table and get all of the clay from your box so that you can knead it. So here you go. A tip is to add moisturizer onto your table and onto your hands so that it doesn't stick to your hands or your table like it did for me. So I'll keep on kneading it right like this, and if your clay is too dry, then you need to add more moisturizer into your clay. But if it is if it's too sticky, it should be, but if it sticks onto your palms, then you need to add more cornstarch. So your clay should look like this by now. Now you're done your clay. To store it, you need a plastic bag and some moisturizer. So take your plastic bag and flip it inside out, like I'm doing here, and put your moisturizer onto it. So now that there is moisturizer, spread it out all along your plastic bag so that when your clay doesn't get dried out. Then flip it back inside. Now put your clay in and put the plastic bag in an airtight container so that your clay doesn't get dry. Bye!